Hi everyone, I saw this book in the works and it's a color origami. I'm just fascinated, there's a little bit of difference obviously how you color these things in and to make some models. So I've chosen a mouse and I've already pre-creased some of one of the sheets here. You get several sheets to make, I suppose, don't know the reason why. And this is a mouse. So let's start. You fold this way and you open it up, then to the center you fold one, fold the other, and then from the edges there you fold down. So if you were making one without these lines in, at least you know how to do that. You fold down and then you fold up. There's a line here which you fold up. Fold this back on. And these things you fold back like this, so these will become ears. Okay, now you turn it over and you take this to the top over there, fold it down, and you have a little crease here, so you fold this over like that, then you fold it up and fold it down, fold the tip up here like this. This will be your head. I don't know if you can see, there's a couple of lines here, so fold one like that and then fold it back like that, so it looks like this. You do the same on this side obviously. Fold it like that, fold it like that. You have two like this, and then fold it in half. That's your mouse. So basically, that's the mouse. Now we open it all up and color it in. So this is it. I got my daughter to color it in and color these things in. This is the mouse now, so basically folding it back as it was, which was like this, like this. I'm just refolding it back on the creases. There is your mouse. And there is your mouse. Hope you enjoyed this project, and subscribe, like, comment, or make a mouse like this. Thank you for watching.